This is a 46-foot Bertram Motor Yacht, 871 Detroit diesels, 18 kW generator. Very well taken care of older boat. She has 22 years of maintenance records. And the full enclosure on the aft deck is nice for fall weather. High-low table. We'll go down this to a coffee table or raise and open up for dining. Real good view out of the lower steering station and wing doors. The wet bar to the left, recent ice maker. This is a leather sectional sofa. She has custom-made teak blinds, probably last forever, and a 55-inch flat-screen smart TV. This is a really nice high-low table here, which also goes down to a coffee table. Going forward, the galley, one step down. It's your 3-burner stove, oven, rotisserie. And all of these lower windows open if you want fresh air. This is a huge galley and dinette. Forward is the guest stateroom. This is a custom-made shower. I believe it was designed as a storage room, and it's really nice. It's huge. Storage space over here. And a forward head here with the shower opposite. These 46-foot Bertrams had a 16-foot beam, so it's a tremendous amount of interior volume. Aft to the aft stateroom, down a couple steps. This boat has a recent memory foam mattress, walk-around queen bed, another smart TV in the aft stateroom. And a huge shower, full bathtub back here in the outer stateroom. And plenty of closet space. Boat is currently for sale. If you're interested in this boat, call Tom Nodler, 443-880-2765. Another custom touch is the roll down windows for afternoon sun. When you roll these down, it keeps the aft deck cool. Keeps the sun out. Thank you.